multiple different areas to play inside, but there are not that many camping supplies, but I at least bought a bag inside and saw the camper is beautiful. Events worth visiting for sports people can check out the latest developments in the industry, while there are plenty of outdoor gear to see and buy. Buying tickets with KK Day is even more convenient. Buy and use immediately. You can get your tickets directly at the counter to enter, which is convenient and fast. This is the first time I have pre-purchased tickets through KK Day to go to an interesting activity suitable for children. It is convenient, fast and half the price of buying tickets on site, and the price is high. Some interesting activities for the kids. It is the first time to pre-purchase tickets through KK Day. It is convenient, fast and half the price of buying tickets on site. The price ratio is high. There are not too many exhibitors, and the prices are not flat. There are so many,